In this video, we've put together 5 of the best Ducky keyboard available on the market. Watch on to discover what each has to offer, how they differ, and which one will suit your needs most closely. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. ASUS ROG Azoth DIY Custom Gaming Keyboard. Silicone gasket mount with 3 layers of dampening foams combine to provide an unrivaled typing experience. Use Bluetooth to connect and switch between 3 devices at a time. ROG SpeedNova wireless technology provides up to 2,000 plus hours of low latency gaming experience in 2.4 GHz RF wireless mode. The 2 OLED display in the upper right of the gaming keyboard allows you to view system info and keyboard settings at a glance. Built-in 3-way knob allows for quick settings adjustment. Pre-lubed keyboard stabilizer produces less friction for smoother keystrokes and stability for longer keys. ROG PBT double-shot keycaps provide a premium feel and long-lasting durability. The ROG Azoth includes a set of tools for keyboard DIY, including a switch opener, keycap puller, switch puller, lube station, brush, and bottle of Krytox GPL 205GD0 lubricant. Number 2. Glorious Custom Gaming Keyboard. As the first hot swap RGB gaming keyboard, GMMK features hot swap switch sockets so you can plug in and out switches as your DIY preference. No need to solder for hours. Featuring per key 16.8 million RGB, fully customizable with our GMMK software, and major RGB patterns can be set from the keyboard hotkeys directly without software. GMMK comes with pre-installed Gateron Brown tactile mechanical switches. This switch is not loud, so you can use it in a quiet office setup as well as your gaming setup. The barebones keyboard switches are backlit RGB SMD LED compatible, so our ABS keycaps become extra bright and easy to read. You can swap and 3-pin mechanical clicky, linear, or tactile mechanical switches with this board. A standard ANSI layout with standard-sized bottom row makes GMMK widely compatible with 3-road party standard. Keycaps available in the current marketplace with brands like Keychron, Acco, RK Royal Kludge, Epomaker, etc. With the inbuilt stand, angle of the keyboard can be changed to match a more ergonomic typing experience. Number 3. Corsair K100 RGB Gaming Keyboard. It looks like you are interested in the Corsair K100 RGB optical mechanical wired gaming keyboard. OPX switches, PBT double-shot keycaps, Elgato Stream Deck, and ICUE compatible QWERTY NA layout black. This is a gaming keyboard that offers fast performance, durability, and customization. It has PBT double-shot keycaps, which are made from high-quality plastic that resists wear, fading, and shine. They also have a standard bottom row layout and a 1.5mm thickness for stability. It has ICUE compatibility, which means you can use the Corsair ICUE software to customize the RGB lighting, media controls, and other settings of the keyboard. You can also use the ICUE control wheel to adjust the backlighting, volume, zoom, and more. It has a stylish aluminum design with an RGB edge that gives it a sleek and elegant look. It also has a detachable leatherette palm rest that provides comfort and support. I hope this information helps you learn more about the Corsair K100 RGB optical mechanical wired gaming keyboard. OPX switches, PBT double-shot keycaps, Elgato Stream Deck. Number 4. Razer Huntsman Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard. Faster than traditional mechanical switches, Razer linear optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30-plus partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish, less prone to long-term grime buildup. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and key press combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Onboard lighting presets. It has PBT double-shot keycaps, which are made from high-quality plastic that resists wear, fading, and shine. Number 5. SteelSeries Apex 7 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. It seems like you are interested in the SteelSeries Apex 7 mechanical gaming keyboard OLED smart display USB pass-through, and media controls linear, quiet RGB backlit, red switch. This is a gaming keyboard that offers fast performance, durability, and customization. It has Corsair OPX switches, which are optical mechanical switches that use light to register key presses. They have a short actuation distance of 1.0 mm and a smooth linear feel for quick and responsive typing. It has PBT double-shot keycaps, which are made from high-quality plastic that resists wear, fading, and shine. It has ICUE compatibility, which means you can use the Corsair ICUE software to customize the RGB lighting, media controls, and other settings of the keyboard. It has a stylish aluminum design with an RGB edge that gives it a sleek and elegant look.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.